How to send picture back of the tags in a sale, okay, in Excel. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Excel sheet. You can see so there is a two method that you can use, only one background image for all Excel sheets, or you can simply use the background image for the simple single cell. Okay, so in first method you can simply go to the page layout, go to the background. Okay, from here you can browse the image from your device. Just click on it. Now select that image. If you want to make the background, just click insert. The image has been inserted. Now you can simply enter your tags in the cell. Okay, now let me show you the second method, that you can use only one cell to insert image, background image. Okay, so it is like you can send the image to the back of the text in the cell. Okay, so first select the cell and you need to resize it some. Okay, so you can resize like this. Okay, now go to the insert. Under the illustrations, we need to go in that shapes. Click on that shape, rectangle shapes. Now you can simply draw the shape within this cell. The shape has been done. Now just right click on that cell, go to the format shape. So you can see these two options here, three options here. In first option you need to go in fill, go to the picture or text fill in. Now you need to insert the text. Go to the insert, select your image which you want to insert, in that cell. Come to the line, select no line, and here in this option which called the size and properties, come to the properties and just make sure this is clicked. Okay, because it is move and size within the cell. Okay, so it is when just make sure it is clicked and just come back. Now when you insert any cell or column in the Excel sheet, the that image will move with that cell only, that original cell only. You can also decrease the size of that image. Okay, and cell also. Now you can simply select the cell and you can write anything on it. Let me change that color of font. Okay, now you can see we can write within the cell. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.